Just come on, it's not a big deal. It's just a Tesla.
Just go around the block.
No! This is my buddy Eric's 2022 Tesla Model 3 Performance, and I already know a lot of car guys are going to be upset by this video. Electric vehicles are hated by most car guys because it just goes against everything we've known to love about vehicles. But I dare make the argument that some electric vehicles are just as, if not more capable of fun than a lot of modern day vehicles. And my argument for this Tesla Model 3 is that it would be the perfect daily driver. He let me spend the day with this car, and although it's not my favorite car out there, I can't think of another car that would make for a better daily besides maybe a Model S Plaid. This car has performance, comfort, decent looks, good technology, and a lot of safety features. The only thing it's missing is a gas engine and a manual transmission, and that's why it's not a weekend car. But find me another vehicle that can do everything this car can do, but better. I'll wait. Anyways, he tossed me the keys to this for the day, so I decided to scare all of my friends. And no, Eric is not some wimp who only drives electric vehicles. He also owns that 570 GT I reviewed last year, and him and I both agree this is one of the best daily drivers out there. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so we're gonna go drive it really quick, take it out for a spin. We're gonna get Mammy's reaction and stuff, and we'll see how it does.
Stop, Andrew. Stop. I can't put my feet on the dash. Stop. I'm serious.
Your phone smacked you in the face.
No, it didn't.
Damn near. Oh my god. See? Okay. Instant.
Okay, why wasn't you expecting that? Because I'm on my phone.
Were you expecting it that time? Come on. Look at that. Like, I brought a smile out of your little face. Look at that. There's no way that that's not fun. Look at that. It's just peace and quiet. You're just chilling. You're like, damn, I kind of need to get over. You know? And then you're just like, dude, my mom's going to shit her pants if I take her in this. Hold on. Dude, I felt the skin on my face getting pushed up. That was 0 to 60 right there. Literally. Oh my god, dude. Every single time I get on it is just hook and book. Like, we're gonna send it right here too. Hopefully we have a competitor pull up on us. Oh, and it's so just like cozy too. Like, that's the thing. My Mustang is fast, but it isn't comfortable like this. Yeah, it's boring in here kind of. Like, yeah, you got a big screen, whatever. I could watch Cocomelon if I want to, but it is kind of boring in here. It's nice, but boring. Like, this is the Corolla here. I could check what it is. Oh, look, it's a Corolla. Corolla wants to smoke. You ain't gonna know what hit you, lady. I wish it was a Plaid though. Oh, I wish it was a Plaid. If you guys really like this video, I'll go rent a Plaid and try and drive that around. Like, this is like the next best thing, but it's not a Plaid. I've rode in a Plaid. I've never driven one though. Bye bye. Dude, that shit is fast. Oh, it's so nice. This guy's coming up around, but look at him, he's all mad. This Honda? Look at him, he's flying. This guy's doing a flyby on us. Good job, buddy. Dude in the CRV had to show us how large his penis is. It is crazy.
You think your mom's gonna expect it?
No, I don't think so. I think I can get her in this car. I think I'll just tell her, I'll be like, oh, you should check it out. It's so smooth. Like, just don't even
Or
mention.
you could just say, hey, we just bought it. And they'll be more realistic, because she's like, oh fuck, Andrew buys cars all the time. So then she's like, yeah, let me test drive it. It's just a Tesla. It's not gonna go fast.
I can try.
If you just say you bought it.
But how are we gonna do it with cameras? Just leave this here?
Just say, yeah, like, it's fine. You could just say that's just a camcorder recording, like.
Yeah, she's not gonna know what that is.
She's not gonna know, yeah.
Push one side and then you pull what comes out. There you go.
That's where you get in your car.
Just come on, it's not a big deal. It's just a Tesla.
Just go around the block.
Yeah.
I got stuff going. Shit.
Oh yeah, you guys probably need to buckle up. Well, I'm just saying, before I start moving. But yeah, like it recognizes all the cars on the road.
Oh, they're coming? Yeah.
It knows the lights are red up ahead somehow. I don't know how. So.
All right, that way.
We're gonna go straight a little bit.
No, please.
It's not a big deal.
You're not going on the freeway.
No, we won't. This thing isn't good from the freeway.
Yeah, you don't want to be speeding around.
No, I want to go home.
Yeah.
No, Andrew!
Come on.
No, let me out. I want to go home.
I'm going around.
You got more cops out and shit.
I didn't do anything. I literally got up to the speed limit. Like, we're going 46. I'm gonna make a U-turn up ahead. We'll go back. Relax. Damn. It's not a big deal. You guys are making it sound like I just like killed you guys.
No, but it's just kind of reckless driving.
I barely accelerated.
It's got a good pickup.
Yeah, it's got a really good pickup.
Yeah, nice.
But I don't want to do it again.
Okay, well, I mean, we gotta pick up speed to go the other way. You guys are acting like I'm like fucking racing. I barely got on it.
I know, but
You guys shit your pants.
You're into it. We're not.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, this guy's coming out, so I'm gonna go like this, just because it's technically illegal to do what I was gonna do. Did you know Teslas are so intelligent that it'll deploy the airbag a certain way depending on how you're sitting in the seat?
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So like, if we were to like crash,
Andrew!
oh, we're going 45.
I don't care!
We're going 45.
I will walk home.
We're almost there. Dad, is it that bad?
Well, she doesn't like it. So
I don't like it,
any of
Andrew.
it's bad.
It's not that bad.
Please.
We're going home.
There's cars in this lane.
Okay, I'll have to get over. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, she wasn't too happy with all that. That's one of the reasons why you guys haven't seen her take a ride along in the Mustang. I really want to put her in that car, but I genuinely think it will give her a heart attack. We barely accelerated to 45 miles an hour right there. Granted, it does have a pretty brutal acceleration, but I think the Mustang would put her in the ground. So you guys may or may not ever see that video, sadly.
Yeah, this thing feels.
And like, you've rode in all my other cars, okay?
Yeah, the Mustang and shit.
Okay. Holy shit. Dude, it just goes.
Holy fuck.
Like, even bracing for it, like, I knew it was coming, and it's just like, it's still like.
That's one hell of a good morning.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Dude, you could do that from every stoplight. And
Oh
like,
my
what are they gonna do? You know? Like, watch, I'll sit here and it's like.
Do it again. Oh my god. There's just one issue with it though.
What?
It ain't petrol.
Oh god.
No, this thing is fucking insane.
Yeah, like I'd be 100% down to like have this as a daily, and then have my gas cars on the weekend.
Dude,
and shit. You know, like
this is the best daily.
exactly. Like
Hands
like
down.
it is a great daily. It's in the HRV. Oh my god! Dude, I don't
Fucking A.
people that talk shit about like electric cars, like yeah, I can't even speak right now, but
Oh my god.
engines are fun, but this is like still fun, you know? Like you gotta appreciate the instant torque of electric. Just figured out how to turn on autopilot. It's doing it.
It's that fucking easy?
Yeah, it's that easy. It's going.
Oh my god.
So in California, the law's kind of stupid. You do gotta touch the wheel. But I mean, even then, okay, let's just hang out. Yeah, let's just see how this goes.
Ghost riding the whip.
Damn. I could be beating my meat and driving.
Yeah, I mean, you can just, now you can hold one beer in each hand.
Yeah, no, my hands are so free. I can just drink my brewskis as I drive.
That was always such a problem in these petrol cars.
Yeah, those damn manual transmissions. I can't be holding my beer while I drive. It fucking piss me off.
Is it really that much of a difference?
What? This?
Yeah.
I'll let you be the judge.
Alright. Oh! What the fuck? Yeah, that's a big of a difference.
So whose is this one?
This is Eric's.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is it.
No shit.
This is his little daily right here. So
Okay.
yeah, just
Oh, fuck. God damn.
God damn.
That's pretty good.
That ain't bad.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. Dude, from a
shit.
dig, it's pretty fucking gnarly. Like it'll bring a smile to your face.
Yeah.
little nimble little car. Let's see. They're not coming, so. Oh, you feel that.
Wow.
And that's 75.
All I hear is wind noise.
Yeah, it's just wind noise. Yeah, it's crazy. 0 to 75 in that amount of time.
Damn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's pretty crazy. And like any gear too. Well, not any gear, but I mean like any speed. I guess you just get on it.
And it just goes.
It just slams.
It's responsive. It's just, well,
it's that instant torque. One thing a lot of people seem to criticize about Teslas is their interior and like the noises they make. But I will just say, this interior is really nice. Like, I'm not a car reviewer, so I haven't been in many cars, but without really destroying my boy's car, I mean, everything is sound. Like, a lot of people's arguments is, oh, well, they're overpriced and they're pieces of shit. And I have seen clips like that as well. But I'm pretty impressed. I thought it was going to be way worse than this. That's all I'm saying. Also, I will just say the driving experience is really pleasant. Like, as a daily driver, I'm not looking at this as this is my go-to sports car, but as a daily driver, I mean, it's quiet, it's torquey, it's smooth, it's got good, you know, technology. It's got autopilot and shit. Like, it's pretty hard to make an argument that this is a bad daily driver. Now, I love my V8s, I love my Supra, I love my Subi even, which is right there. Let's go catch up to it really quick. Look at that. Okay. I love all my cars. Some more than others, but I enjoy them. Will a Tesla replace the sound? You know, can it make up for that? I don't think so, but you're driving an electric car. You're not getting in this car to do the things that you can do in other more sportier cars like downshift, rev match, and all that stuff, and hear the exhaust rumble. You're not getting in the car. There's my puppy, by the way. Oh, Ryan! Oh, he's so cute. Okay, anyways, for the sake of this, I will roll that up. But yeah, you're not getting in this car to try to replace that. I don't think technology is quite there to where we can mimic the driving experience of a gas engine or a manual transmission yet, although, as we've seen, there are concepts and patents for electric manual transmissions, which would be very fun in my opinion. But what I'm saying is, I don't think that this is a replacement for that. I think that this is a very fun alternative if you want something that's different than that. So to wrap up this video, just because I know how car guys are, I could tell some people are going to be upset that I had fun in a Tesla. And to that I say, just go out there and try it. Do I think that this is cooler than driving a supercharged V8 or a big turbo Supra? No. My argument is it's a fun car to drive around and it's also comfortable. If we look at it like that, I don't think I'm wrong. It is undeniably fun to accelerate like that. If you like accelerating in Hellcats, if you like accelerating in Mustangs, if you like accelerating in Hondas, this is just a microwaved version of that. It still gets the job done, but it's a hell of a lot quicker. Anyways, I want to just give a big thank you and a shout out to Eric from Voodoo Design for letting me borrow his car for the day and trusting me with it. Guys, if you are looking for high-end exhaust or just have a crazy idea, he's the guy to talk to. Go check out and follow him on Instagram. I really had fun with this car and I kind of want to pick one up now. So thank you for that. Anyways, guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please let me know down below. Subscribe, and until next video, peace.